Mabuhay! Welcome to Batanes, the northernmost islands of the Philippines. I am Brittany Jane Garcia, and I'm thrilled to be your guide today as we explore this truly unique and breathtaking destination. I've been lucky enough to call these islands home for 5 years, and I'm always amazed by their beauty and the resilience of the Ivatan people. Batanes is a place where time seems to stand still. It's a world away from the hassle and bustle of city life. Here, you'll find rugged landscapes, ancient traditions, and a culture that's remained remarkably untouched by the outside world. It's a place that truly captures the spirit of the Philippines. The islands are home to some of the most stunning scenery you'll ever see. Just look at these rolling hills, dramatic cliffs, and pristine beaches. And those iconic stone houses, known as bakul, are a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Ivatan people. They adapted to the harsh weather conditions and built homes that are beautiful, functional, and incredibly strong. The Ivatan culture is rich in traditions and customs, passed down through generations. The people here are known for their strong sense of community, their respect for nature, and their unique way of life. You see this reflected in their traditional dances, their delicious cuisine, and their warm hospitality. Batanes is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in different way of life. You can visit ancient churches, explore hidden caves, hike through rolling hills, or simply relax and enjoy the peace and tranquility of the islands. But remember, we are guests in this special place, so it's important to respect the environment and the local customs. To ensure a safe and enjoyable tour, please remember the following. Wear comfortable shoes for hiking, be mindful of the weather conditions, and respect the local traditions and customs. Remember that we should work together to protect the beauty and tranquility of Batanes for future generations. Now, let's embark on our journey through this incredible destination.